The Itel P17 no be exactly wetin I expect because they use 1 gig RAM storage space. You know, Itel company just be like man when one enter into marriage commitment with woman. He no get any plan to cheat on the woman and he no get any plan to leave the woman. I think Itel company kind of gets that kind of commitment with 1 gig RAM storage space. That make them fit get the mind to design 1 gig RAM phone for this 2022 when their mates like Infinix and Tecno they fit dey design up to 8 gig RAM storage phone. How frustrating. For my previous video, I do the review and the unboxing of the P13 Pro, which is the Pro version of this phone. See the link for here or go to the description section of this video to find the link to that video. The difference between this phone and the Pro version na their storage capacity and their price. The Pro they use 2 gig RAM with 32 gig ROM storage space, while this one they use just 1 gig RAM with 16 gig ROM storage space. Then when it comes to the price, the Pro they sell for 45,000 naira, while this one they sell for 32,000 naira. The difference na 11,000 naira. And wetin e mean be say with just 11,000 naira, you dey get ×2 of this one storage space. Now before I give you more details about this phone, make I open the box and show you wetin the phone carry. And if you dey like this video at this point, na the point to subscribe to this channel be this. The phone come inside this regular Itel packaging box. Dem package the phone just like the P17 Pro. E come with the transparent plastic bumper case and 5-watt regular charger, USB 2.0 cable, and lastly na the earpiece. I don't know why I no fit stop to dey complain about the poor packaging of Itel phones. Even some products when you fit see for supermarkets today when they way cheaper than this phone, they come in very nice design and good package. So I expect say this Itel phones will come in better design, but the packaging no make sense. About the body of the phone, it is very heavy, na 207 grams. This weight big even though say the battery capacity no reach 5,000 mAh and the phone no wide. The size of the phone na about 160 by 70 mm. I no go call this phone big phone. The screen na IPS display and e feature 5.5-inch screen. If you consider the price of the phone, you go suppose understand say the display no go give you quality. Itel want say make we believe say na full screen display when the screen no really cover the entire front of the phone. The screen give too much space for the top and bottom. The extra space for top carry the 2-megapixel camera and speaker, while the extra space for bottom dey empty. E no make any sense to leave this kind big space for here. Then for cut this bottom part off so that the screen go align with the bottom. And talking about the alignment, all the edges of the phone dey well rounded, just like the Pro version. Actually, the two phones get the same design. Power key and volume key for right corner, charging port and audio jack for up, microphone for bottom, 5-megapixel camera and fingerprint scanner for back. The design no be exactly wetin dey people mind. Na Itel be the only company when I know so far when they position their charging port for top of their phones. Dem design the phone to support 2 SIM cards plus SD card, but their placement dey back of the phone. Imagine how inconvenient e go be to pull the phone back cover out every time you wan remove or insert SIM card or memory card. And e even dey more annoying say the phone no dey support 4G network. The phone na Android 11 and e dey support most of the Android 11 features when you don already know. However, the performance of the phone dey very poor. E no dey quick to respond to touch and e no dey quick to load apps. Like if you open the settings app, e go delay before e go come up. Swiping between screen too no fast. No be only the performance of the phone na dey below average, even the camera performance too dey very poor. Both front and back camera dey heavily unreliable. See some of the pictures when I take with this back camera and tell for yourself. This video will lead you to the unboxing and review of the Itel P17 Pro, while this video will lead you to the unboxing and review of the Itel S17. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you for my next video.